It's June in Custer State Park, and we're driving one of the most unforgettable roads in South Dakota, the Wildlife Loop Road in Custer State Park. This scenic route takes you straight through open prairie and rolling hills where bison roam freely, pronghorn race across the grasslands, and prairie dogs pop up along the way. Every mile brings the chance for a wildlife encounter, so slow down, keep your camera ready, and join us as we explore the heart of the Black Hills.
We are on Wildlife Loop right now at Custer Park. Keep an eye out for some wildlife. On some bison. We are still on the Wildlife Loop. There aren't many places to get off, but this is a overlook here, and we happened upon all these beautiful yellow flowers. We're going to walk up here to the overlook. This is the view from the overlook. We're in the Black Hills. You can see they've had some fires in the area. We're still on the Wildlife Loop, and we see all these bison just hanging out. Looks like most of them are just resting. There's some of them that are crossing the street. We are 15 feet away from them.
Close the gap, guys. Close the gap.
All up there, too. We got a lot of them. Really neat, but a little unsettling. Kids can't ever say they saw something like this.
Phil today.
Here we are in the car.
That one was checking to make sure everybody's done.
Yep, everybody here. I can cross the street.
Oh, look at the little calf.
Oh my God.
Wow.
There's a big herd here. Look at all the babies.
Hey Gary, can you just, I'm going to put...
There's a baby nursing with the cow.
Licking its nose.
We're still on the Wildlife Loop, and of course now we see wild turkey. Lots of prairie dogs also in the area. All those little holes you see are where prairie dogs come out of. Now we have wild donkey.
But he's trying to keep the girl on the car.
It looks like these donkeys are really enjoying the car ahead of us.
Driver and the passenger.
Shut the window. Maybe they're feeding them.
They might be feeding them something.
Carrot. I just saw him throw a carrot out of his mouth around it.
But
This is amazing. These are all wild animals. But people are feeding them carrots from their window. That's why they're so friendly here. Yes, this gentleman is feeding them some carrots. Here we have a pronghorn antelope. It's on the side of the mountain. Here's some pronghorn antelope just relaxing. You can see them a little bit better here. Here we have a mountain goat